Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel app. Today we are going to learn the basics of Excel, and the thing we are going to learn is inserting an image in Excel. Yes guys. How to insert an image? Easy thing. Just go to insert tab, click on this picture icon, select the desired folder or drive where you have placed it. Likewise, I will be going to my public pictures, users, whatever it may be. See, I'm going to select the picture, insert. See, this is how we got it. This is how you insert an image, and now you can even customize this image using these tools. See, you can place it anywhere in your Excel file, right beside the name of any person or anything. So this is how it's done. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.